Hello my friends, and welcome to another episode of Inside Out Electronics. And today we're gonna take a look at this Media K400 Plus, a keyboard and mouse pad over here. As you see, this is a relatively small device and probably quite light. I'm not sure the weight specification, we're gonna take a look in the back later. So they claim that this small device, it's wireless obviously, it has 18 months battery life, and let's take a look at some specification. So it is built-in touchpad, 10 meters range, which is like whatever. Yeah, plug and play, 2.5 GHz unifying USB receiver. This is really awesome. So technically, is this little dongle that's shown here. You can connect pretty much anything. So you can use with this keyboard or pair it with any other keyboard. So the reason I wanted to get it because I have this little device. It's probably quite familiar for many of you, and this is Raspberry Pi. I think this is 3 Model B, so it's pretty dusty. I still have to develop very nice case for it, but I don't have keyboard for it. So if I need to, for example, to run Kodi and play some videos and things like that, I have a bit of a problem, and also separate mouse. So this thing would solve this problem. There's a keyboard, there's a mouse. Awesome, and also volume control, which is pretty cool. So this is my targeted device for this. So I think if I create very nice looking black case and this keyboard, they're gonna look very nice together. So this is supposed to work very well with any sort of portable device like that. Okay, let's not talk too much and take a look what's inside. And we have to cut it right here and right here. So I bought it on Amazon. It was not expensive, but I forgot how much was it. So right, okay, here we are, and I still challenged to pull it back. Okay, here's this little tiny USB receiver, and little icon over here indicated, and this is unifying whatever connector thing. No, obviously, okay, with this gloves it's really hard to do. I bashed my fingers doing some mountain biking, so they don't look nice, so I decided to wear gloves. Okay, so for example, it can be connected to laptop, can be connected to whatever, registration numbers and things like that. Right, this is redundant box. We don't need, unless this thing is not gonna work, I'm gonna send it back. Alright, let's take a look at the keyboard. So let's compare it with the regular cell phone. So it is pretty small. So this is Galaxy S8. We need, its dimension is 1 Galaxy S8 this way, and 2, 3, 4, 5.5 Galaxy S8s width-wise. So it depends. Okay, if you measure this way or you measure this way, haha. I think connecting this thing to the your device, being like a desktop, laptop, or Raspberry Pi, is pretty straightforward. Just plug it in and that's it. I'm not gonna go through this because I'm pretty sure this is very straightforward, so don't even have to cover it. The problem is, I would like to actually see the following thing. First of all, how sturdy is this thing? It is not really sturdy, but at the same time, yeah, honestly, I'm not happy about quality of the plastic. It's really bendy. Look. Yeah, so it's kind of, yeah, it's probably worse. But on the other hand, if this thing gonna fall on the ground, it will probably going to absorb the shock. So in this case, that's all right. So let's open it up. That's supposed to be battery compartment, and it uses AA's. This little thing, when you pull it, it's gonna connect it. And how many AA's? We have 2 AA's. It's not bad. So as I understand, this little compartment is for your dongle thing. And if you, oh no, even better, it actually plugs in over here. Just yes, just like that, and when you like, right, that's neat. Yeah, but this flimsy plastic doesn't make me too happy. Yeah, it's kind of meh. So, keyboard itself, not the best, I must say. But because you're not gonna type a lot on these sort of devices, you're going to like probably use some search, like, you know, look for your favorite movie or go into some kind of website and done. You're not gonna play games. Well, you might, but yeah, these buttons are just okay. For the amount of money, I think this is just okay. What the hell is this? I do not know. Probably this would require some user manual, but because I'm lazy to read, I'm not going to. Unless when you press this, it's gonna do left mouse click. I don't know. Maybe this is for convenience. For example, when you're doing that and you need to change mode of the mouse pad. Okay. It's fine. Well, it says nothing about this button. That's it. Obviously nothing here as well. So, what do I say? I think it's okay. The problem is you cannot say too much before you actually use it, and you know, as part of this video, I probably won't be able to show you really much. Well, I can, but like it's not gonna really matter. But I think for what it is, even without, like, you don't really have to connect it to the computer to judge it. I think the keys are relatively nice. It's not the best, but relatively nice. Mousepad's probably just working, and I think it is multi-touch. You can do some zoom actions and double finger thingy here. At least that's what it mentioned in the user manual. You have some function and double actions on function buttons, which is cool. Play, next, stop, whatever media. So this is clearly looks like Windows oriented because there is a Windows button, function button, and very important, the control is over here, because there are some keyboards there is function and control is reversed, and I hate it big times because I always try to hit this function button instead of control. So control has to be here. There is also, as you see over here, the home page, down page, up and end. I assume these are triggered like this. I do not see print screen and this kind of jazz, so, but that's fine, don't really need to. Yeah, I think this keyboard is really gonna work. The only thing, I'm not really sure if it's worth the money actually. I think I can buy a cheaper Chinese keyboard, which probably be as bad or as good. But you're gonna pay like probably a fraction of the price, because yeah, this flimsiness is kind of kills me. Look, yeah. Well, this side is sort of stiffer because there's a battery stuff over here, but okay. Well, verdict is okay. Verdict is that this keyboard is okay, and the keyboard is k400 plus. I don't know what the hell plus really means, but k400 plus. It contains keyboard, like a shortened version of the keyboard, not a full keyboard, and with some media controls and a touchpad. I think that's just gonna work well. If this is gonna work shit, I'm gonna create a little update to this video, and we're gonna go and I'm gonna notify you or tell you my experiences. But so far I think this is gonna be okay, and if it's gonna fail after some time, obviously I'm gonna create another video where I mention that the quality of this product. So I think I'm gonna wrap up. Thank you for watching. See you in next episode Inside Out Electronics.